Can you walk slowly in Roblox PC without controller? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to walk slowly in Roblox without using a controller. So first of all, let's look at my default walking speed using the arrow keys on my keyboard. To change this, enter any Roblox game and press the escape key. Now from the menu, go to Settings tab and change the movement mode to Click to Move. After that, click on Resume. And now if you right click anywhere, it will look like you're walking slowly in Roblox. To achieve this slow walking effect, make sure to click close to your character. And if you want to return to your normal walking speed, go back to Settings, switch back to Settings tab, and then switch back to Keyboard plus Mouse or default keyboard according to your preference. Now you will be running fast again like before. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.